Hey there, my name is Stefanos, and today I want to show you how you can open and view PDF files inside Figma and FigJam. I'm going to be showing you the plugin I've been working on for the last couple of months called Super PDF. You can go to the community page and download it from there. It's free, 100% private, and super fast. So let's get back to the demo, and I'm going to run Super PDF, and I'm going to click on the reader. Here I can drag and drop or choose the file that I want to open. I'm going to choose this PDF file. It's 5,000 pages long, but you can see it opened instantly. We can expand the reader window a little bit to make things bigger, or we can resize it to the size that we want. We can use the right or left keys to go to the next or previous page, and we can click and hold on the UI to get to the first page or the last page. Click and hold first page. We can rotate, and we can zoom in and pan or zoom out. Let's now have a look how it looks like in FigJam. I'm going to go to the FigJam file. I'm going to run Super PDF, and I'm going to click on the Reader tab. You will notice here that the plugin opened in a bigger window, and that is because the plugin knows your preference from the last time that you ran it. So the plugin knows that you had the window a bit bigger because that's how you want it to work inside your canvas. Again, I'm going to click, select the PDF file, and now I can have a PDF file on the left hand side or wherever I want, and then start working with my team. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.